I am going to show you how to reset password on a Mac. Hold the power button, keep holding. Just keep holding until you see the start option. Then let go. Click on continue. Just 1 second, on the top left corner of the display you'll see terminal. Click on it and then type reset password. Then after that, click on your hard drive which contains your operating system. Then click deactivate Mac. Wait until you see the new window opens. Then you can type your new password here and verify it. So I hope you guys find this helpful. If you find it helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button and share whoever finds this useful. Thanks, bye bye.